Stop uploading blind. You guys won't believe the hack I just found to check if your video will go viral before you even hit publish. I'm using YouTubeCreatorAI.com to scan my edits. Their AI video scorecard is wild. It analyzes my hook vibe, clarity, and pacing, so I know exactly where viewers might drop off. It even checks market vibe and discoverability for the current algorithm. Plus, it gives me optimized titles, descriptions, and even a custom thumbnail concept in about a minute. It's basically a cheat code to get your video started right. All you need to do is go to the research lab on YouTubeCreatorAI.com and try it. No more guessing. Go check your video vibe and let me know what you get in the comments. If you're still guessing why your videos are flopping in 2026, you're missing the AI diagnostic that spots boredom gaps in your footage before you hit publish.
Check out YouTube Creator AI, your full toolkit to win on YouTube.